Hey everybody, Grant here with Wendell Lee. Getting ready to take you with me on a pump call. Got a guy that called. He's been a long time customer and doesn't have water on a Sunday. You know what that's like. So they need water. Getting ready to go see if we can get them some water. Getting ready to show you the weather conditions too on this nice, wonderful November Sunday. Oh yeah, you can see the excitement on my face, can't you? So anyways, hold on here with me. We'll take you over here and find out what's wrong. Sure we got our door locked. Yep. All right, let's get out of here and go before we get rained on even more. Gotta keep the thieves out while nobody's here. Guess that's the way the world's become today. Oh yeah. Don't y'all want to come along and help me in this wonderful situation here? It ain't no big deal. Just another day in the office. Either in the mud, cause from the water you putting in the hole, or you getting rained on from the water coming from above. So that's just how the cookie crumbles. That's what we're here for. Get the job done. Ain't nothing but a thing. Just another beautiful day. All right, let's go see what we can get done. Alright, got back to the office. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on here, what I just got done changing out. I'm gonna put this on my head. So the initial problem was the pressure switch they had was bad. It's down here. So this is what was wrong. One side of the switch is working, the other side was down like this. When I got here, I was able to kind of it's gonna be a little aggravating, but I was able to get this side over here where my finger is and prop it up and temporarily get the switch to work and make sure the pump was good. Pumped up fine. As you can see, those points there are pretty bad burn. The culprit for that was this back here. The tank was completely full. You can see it's old well extra old. There's the date code on it, 1987. So been in there about 30 years. Had to do a little bit of microscopic surgery on it to get it out from under the house. It was slam full. So this is a 20 gallon. The guy wanted to kind of upgrade a little bit, so he went with a one of these Challenger 44 gallons. He's got twice the storage, going from 5 gallon drawdown to about 13 gallon drawdown. So it's less work on his pump. Only cost him a couple $100 more, and just a decision he made, which I always think was a good one. So another job well done. I'm gonna head it to the house, take it easy for the rest of the weekend. Thanks for watching.